Speed. I'm sure we all have a general idea of what speed is, how fast an object travels. But speed and velocity, it is way more than just a simple description.
Now, what is speed? Speed refers to the distance traveled per unit of time. It basically refers to how fast an object is moving. It is also a scalar quantity. The formula for speed is distance over time. This equation tells us the average speed of an object over a specific amount of time. So, now that we know what speed is, we have to know what velocity is. Velocity refers to the measurement of the rate and direction of motion. The formula for velocity is displacement over time. It measures displacement, which is a vector quantity. This indicates the difference between an object's final and initial position. To further understand our topic, we should answer a word problem. So, for our first word problem, a man walks 14 kilometers east in 2 hours and then 3.5 kilometers west in 1 hour. What is the man's average speed and average velocity for the whole journey? So, in order to find the average speed, we have to use the formula for speed, which is distance over time. So we will have 14 kilometers plus 3.5 kilometers over 2 hours plus 1 hour. So the average speed is equal to 17.5 kilometers over 3 hours. Our speed will be 5.8 kilometers per hour. So that was for speed. Now we have to find the average velocity. In order to find our average velocity, we use the formula displacement over time. Our displacement is 14 kilometers minus 3.5 kilometers. This is because they are heading in two different directions. And our time is 2 hours plus 1 hour. So the formula for our velocity will be 10.5 kilometers over 3 hours. And the man's average velocity will be 3.5 kilometers per hour. The first word problem was to get us acquainted with this topic. Now, let us move on to the second word problem. An Olympic sprinter ran around a circular track for 4 hours. When he was done, he calculated that he traveled around 45 kilometers. What is his speed and velocity? Since we have his distance and time, solving for his speed is easy. His speed is 45 kilometers over 4 hours. So his average speed is 11.25 kilometers per hour. Now, for his velocity is 0. His velocity is 0 because he traveled around a circular track. In order to have velocity, we must also have a direction. Since he traveled around a circular track, he has no direction. And since he has no direction, the sprinter has no velocity.